Welcome to the magical world of American agriculture. Today, we're diving into the impressive corn harvesting machines, the products derived from corn, and some fascinating details about this incredible crop. Although only 4 types of corn are cultivated across all 50 U.S. states, they produce an astounding 16 different products that are part of our daily lives. The U.S. has surpassed China to become the world's top corn producer with 3.467 million tons in 2023, thanks to advanced farming techniques and machinery. You've probably enjoyed sweet corn, the type renowned for its delightful sweetness. Sweet corn is commonly harvested using mechanized equipment, with 2 main types, self-propelled or tractor-pulled harvesters. Florida, Oregon, and California lead the way in sweet corn production, collectively harvesting 13.6 million tons in 2022. Sweet corn is usually harvested while the kernels are still young and tender, and the harvest can be done either mechanically or manually. And don't forget, once corn is harvested, its sweetness and tenderness begin to diminish. Therefore, farmers must quickly cool sweet corn to around 32 degrees Fahrenheit right after harvesting to preserve its quality. Hydrocooling, a method using water to maintain a cold temperature, keeps the corn fresh for up to 2 weeks. What about popcorn? With its slim appearance and hard outer shell, popcorn is adored for its ability to pop when heated to temperatures between 400 and 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Each year, over 232 million Americans enjoy this snack, translating to about 14 billion quarts of popped popcorn. To meet this enormous demand, popcorn is primarily harvested using powerful combines that operate day and night. Besides food production, corn plays a crucial role in producing corn oil and ethanol, renewable energy that helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. And let's not forget, corn is also key in making bourbon a popular choice for cocktail enthusiasts. There's still so much more to discover, from cherry harvesting in Washington, the sweet cantaloupes of August, to the iconic pumpkins of fall. Join me as we continue this exciting journey through the diverse and remarkable world of American agriculture. Default text corn harvesting machines are essential equipment in agriculture, optimizing the corn harvesting process and enhancing production efficiency. Below is a detailed description of the various types of corn harvesting machines. Default Texthus is a multifunctional device capable of harvesting corn from the plant, separating kernels from the cob, and processing the remaining plant material. It typically includes cutting, threshing, and cleaning systems to streamline the harvesting process. Default text machine includes key components such as cutting blades, harvesting rolls, a threshing unit, and a transportation system. It may be equipped with rotating shafts and conveyors to move the corn into a bin or further processing system. This specialized machine focuses on removing the corn cobs from the plant without damaging the kernels. It is used when quick and efficient harvesting is required. The machine features cutting blades and rollers designed to pull the corn cobs from the plant and transport them to a collection system. Some models also include cleaning mechanisms to prepare the cobs before they are stored. This machine is designed to pull the entire corn plant, including roots and stalks, out of the ground. It facilitates rapid harvesting of the whole plant. It usually consists of pulling blades and clamping systems to hold the plant securely while extracting it from the soil. The stalks and cobs are then conveyed to a collection or processing system. The machines are equipped with sensors to monitor field conditions and automatically adjust operational components. GPS systems assist in precise location tracking and efficient harvesting management. Utilizing these harvesting machines saves time, reduces labor, and increases harvesting efficiency. They also minimize losses during the harvesting process, ensuring quality corn. These machines are widely used in large-scale farms and processing facilities, playing a crucial role in supplying food and raw materials for the processing industry. Overall, corn harvesting machines represent a perfect blend of technology and mechanical design, enhancing agricultural productivity and meeting the increasing demands of the market.